Welcome to JMW's Inside Man YouTube channel. Louise Wakely is a partner within JMW's commercial litigation team. So, Louise, there's a new fixed recoverable cost regime coming into force. For non-lawyers, what does that actually mean?
Well, that's correct, Dominic. So from Sunday, the 1st of October, 2023, the fixed recoverable cost regime will apply to most civil claims with a value up to £100,000, and that's subject to very few exceptions. What this means is for individuals and businesses who are either thinking about pursuing a claim in court for up to £100,000 or are likely to be on the receiving end of a claim, so defending proceedings in the future, the courts are fixing the amount of legal costs that a successful party in proceedings can recover from their opponents.
And so how will this impact businesses, Louise?
Well, it's going to have a significant impact on them because the fixed recoverable cost regime will apply to most claims, most civil claims, which includes business disputes, defended debt claims, claims for commercial rent arrears, professional negligence claims, breach of contract disputes, and also other claims, simply claims with a value up to £100,000. There are only a few very limited exceptions, such as judicial review claims, housing disrepair claims, and cases being dealt with under Part 8 of the Civil Procedure Rules. And unfortunately, at this moment in time, nearly at the eve of this significant rule change, it is still unclear whether parties can expressly contract out of the fixed recoverable cost regime and indeed dismiss the application of the regime. And so lawyers are desperately awaiting some much needed clarification on this point. The reality at the moment is for claims where the fixed recoverable cost regime does apply, the successful parties in those proceedings are likely to face quite significant shortfalls in costs. And by that, I mean the costs recovered from their opponent will likely be significantly less than the costs they actually incur instructing solicitors to pursue or defend their cases for them. That shortfall will ultimately have to be met by the successful party and may even have to come out of their damages.
And so how can you and the commercial litigation team here at JMW Solicitors help businesses?
Well, we can help to navigate our clients through the fixed recoverable cost regime. We will also explore whether their claims could potentially fall outside of the regime, for example, because of the complex nature of their claims, the likely length of the trial, the number of experts, the vulnerability of the parties. So there are other factors the court will have the discretion to consider. It isn't simply limited to the value of the claim. So we will consider those in assessing whether there's an argument to be had for the claim to be dealt with outside of the regime, notwithstanding its value. And we will also, of course, continue to resolve our clients on cases on the best commercial terms and with a close eye on cost recovery.
Louise, thank you for your insight. And if you'd like to contact Louise and the commercial litigation team here at JMW Solicitors, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. Please also subscribe to the JMW Inside Man YouTube channel for the latest legal news, hints and tips. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.